you know, make your own mark. तो वो साल मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा driven or immersed गुजारे. So that's why, coming to your first question, I think जब I decided to take the break, I think I was like full.
Okay.
I was satiated, I felt fulfilled, and I had something way more important in my hands to take care of. और वो मैंने कोशिश की शुरू में, उसके पैदा होते मेरी बेटी मीसा के पैदा होते बाद ही मैंने कोशिश की कि मैं उसको साथ साथ रखूं, बिकॉज आई वाज नर्सिंग हर ऑल्सो. तो मुझे था तो मेरे साथ ही होगी, तो लेट मी डू इट. सो आई डिड पाकीज़ा. मैंने खुद गर्ज निभा भी उन दिनों हुआ था, केक भी उन दिनों हुआ था.
खुद गर्ज भी आपका था, मुझे भी याद आया.
खुद गर्ज और एक निभा भी था. बिस रज़ा का, बिस रज़ा कहाँ है, बिस रज़ा, I miss him. But yeah, so I did quite a bit of work after once she turned 2 months. तो मेरे साथ I was nursing. But then, you know, वो फिर भी उस टाइम पे आप कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं बेबी को. But as they're growing, they have a life of their own. And then, and because I believe कि मैं, you know, केक जब हुआ तो उसके बाद मैंने जब वापस ड्रामा किया तो I was like, okay, so अब वापस ड्रामे ही होंगे till maybe another films. It felt like I had hit a ceiling.
Now I understand.
And I didn't see like what could be more.
Unless future नहीं नजर आ रहा.
Yeah, like I was like, okay, अब इसके beyond क्या? Okay, Lux campaign हो गया, clear. I think I did 5-6 hair commercials. You know, soap commercials.
इतनी nominations हैं आपकी माशाल्लाह से LSA पे.
तो वो जो सारे targets थे, alhamdulillah, they all came at the right time and all that. And it was truly time for me to just shift my focus. And my body was also telling me. वो कहते हैं ना, I mean, the body clock is real, you guys. It's real. So my body was indicating it mentally. और फिर लाइफ की कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हुई, वो मुझे लगा जैसे अल्लाह मियाँ जो है वो मुझे फोर्स कर रहे हैं कि भाई टेक अ स्टेप बैक फ्रॉम इट ऑल एंड थिंक थ्रू, रिक्रिएट, स्टॉप.
But you're also lucky कि आपके पास ये clarity थी. बहुत से लोग confuse हो जाते हैं, उस clarity को नहीं handle कर पाते and they cannot choose a direction. बहुत मुश्किल से गुजरते हैं. But you had the clarity and the, you know, बहुत focus के साथ आपने वो चीज़ छोड़ के दूसरी direction ली, which is good for you.
But it didn't happen overnight. There was a very much a phase of confusion. Very much so.
That is right after you got separated or divorced?
Yes, right after my child's birth.
Okay, right after your daughter's birth.
Right after, like right after. Okay, so there was a...
Was it the motherhood that was overwhelming?
No, not at all. The motherhood part was my saving grace, actually.
Okay, that's so
I think, yes, it truly was. Because everything around me was crumbling. Was hitting rock bottom, and I could see it crashing, and I was very, very confused and very, very जैसे कहते हैं ना shaken. एकदम से आपकी एक reality चल रही है, और फिर एकदम से that's not your reality anymore, and you are seeing it crashing. तो वो, and then, you know, being the person I am, and I think just generally when you have a child, you want to save everything, you want to make everything whole, and you want to make everything work. So I spent a good amount of time in that zone. But yes, the clarity came when I took some time to realize that this is damaging me, and I'm not going to be able to perform as a mother if I continue to stay in this chaos. So I had to emotionally, like physically, emotionally remove myself for a bit to think through. So I remember cake का PR हो रहा था, PR activities हो रही थी, and it took me to the US. केक की पूरी टीम गई थी अमेरिका, और मीसा मेरे साथ साथ थी. तो हम इंटरव्यूज़ पे इंटरव्यूज़, और वो टेबल के नीचे बैठी होती थी या साइड पे बैठी होती थी, एंड यू नो जस्ट मैनेजिंग एवरीथिंग. प्रीमियर जब था लंदन में, तो वो पर्दे के पीछे थी विद अ हेल्पर व्हाइल आई डिड द carpet walk, और वॉक करते ही आई वुड गो एंड होल्ड, यू नो, इस तरह की चीज़ें. So then after the PR activities, I decided to stay there for a while. मैं LA चली गई थी कुछ महीनों के लिए, 4-5 महीनों के लिए. I put Misa in a summer school there, and I would sit across her school in a cafe, and I would just sit, and I would just search, okay, what can I do here? Can I find agents? यहाँ मैं कुछ auditions कर लूँ, कुछ upskill कर लूँ, क्योंकि as a citizen, you have access to some courses that they give business to make you business savvy and things like that. So availed those, did a lot of yoga. So that was my time to kind of एक आप डिनाइल से भी निकलते हैं ना, अपने आप को जितने साल आपने एक चीज़ को बिल्ड करने में गुजारे हैं उससे आप अपने आप को टेयर अवे करना
बहुत मुश्किल होता है.
या बहुत मुश्किल होता है. तो दैट टाइम आई टुक टू स्टेबलाइज माई इनर सेल्फ, become a little more emotionally strong, and then also my family, my parents, my brothers were like, क्या कर रही हो भाई? किसी को कुछ पता नहीं था, by the way. No one knew about the chaos inside, because I think I was just trying to hold a front कि सब सही हो जाएगा, it'll be okay, it'll be okay, just move through it. But my brother, everybody was just like, what's going on? What you know, like just figure a way out. Don't be taken for a ride. Everyone felt like I was being taken for a ride and all that. So go and either fix this, conclude this, figure it out. You have a child, साथ ले के घूम रही हो, उसका भी तो सोचो ये है वो. Anyway, so then I took some time. Then I came back, and then just tug. Then all the major decisions, legal decisions, and just foresight, what I wanted, what I did not want, what I wanted for my child, and listening to my child also, watching her, figuring her out. So then came the clarity. Came the clarity, and then my parents just kind of stood by my side. उनको नहीं पता था क्या करना है. They were going through their own emotions. Of course, because वो होता है ना कि iceberg वाला जो analogy है कि iceberg नज़र आता है लेकिन नीचे इतना कुछ हो चुका होता है. तो किसी को नीचे इतना कुछ होने का पता नहीं था, एहसास भी नहीं था. So they only saw the iceberg. So they had to go through their process of being like, okay, Amna's going through a huge transition here. Let's see what we can do. So they were just pillars, and then I had the foresight. And one clarity I had was that, look, I can only thrive when my home base is intact. Okay. And I know that my child also can only thrive if my home base is intact. And I have to remove myself to think rationally, okay, I have to create a home base. And my baby is so little that I can build it for her in a way that she best deserves, right? So then I just involved my family, and that's how my new chapter started. I started
and a new life. And then you moved to Dubai.
And I moved to Dubai.
So आपको लग रहा था आप यहाँ पे वही चीज़ नहीं कर सकती, और मतलब कभी-कभी मैं सोचती हूँ जब इंसान इतनी चीज़ों से गुजरे तो yes, starting new somewhere else,
I think
it's also very relieving and soothing.
It is.
It gives you the center, जो center आपका निकल जाए तो वो आता है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
बिल्कुल आप.
Because यहाँ तो हर चीज़ आपको वही चीज़ें याद करा रही है, वही चीज़ें face करें, questions आप आ रहे हैं. Is that
triggers?
the reason?
Yeah, it's so easy if you stay in the same environment. You have triggers all around you.
और आप उस टॉक्सिसिटी से नहीं निकल पाती जो आपकी अपनी इर्द गिर्द है आपकी सिचुएशन की वजह से. बट आपकी एक चीज़ मुझे बहुत जो मुझे हिट करी was like, and I think a lot of women forget about that, is that अगर आप खुद सही नहीं है, जो यू सेड ना कि मुझे अपनी बच्ची के लिए सही होना है, क्लैरिटी चाहिए, वो क्लैरिटी में टाइम लगा बट इट वाज बिल्डिंग अप. अगर आप खुद सही हो, अपना खुद कर लें तो